The UK Ministry of Defence's Procurement Armed Defence Equipment and Support (DE&S) has signed a $108.42 million £80 million contract with Bristol-based Centreline. The contract includes the purchase of 2 Dassault 900LX aircraft and 2 years of initial support, plus 3 option years if required. Dassault 900LX was successful in this competition as the standout candidate in performance, cost value and time requirements. The new aircraft will take over the role of the 4 BAE 146s that the RAF has already decommissioned. The Defense Equipment and Support and RAF teams have done an incredible job to procure these modern and efficient aircraft. I look forward to seeing them support the UK defence mission and our wider strategic partnerships, Air Commodore Martin, RAF's program lead, said. The two-phase program will see the aircraft initially operated by a mixed crew of civilian and RAF personnel. The aircraft will be upgraded with missile jamming systems and military communications to deliver full capability, and crewed by RAF personnel. I am incredibly proud of the team at Defense Equipment and Support who have worked innovatively and at pace to negotiate a contract that is exceptional value for money and ensures this critical capability is available, CEO Sir Simon Bolam, Defense Equipment and Support, said. After 4 decades of service, 2 BAe 146 aircraft are being preserved at the British Airliner Collection at Duxford, Cambridgeshire, and the South Wales Aviation Museum at St Athan in South Glamorgan. The remaining 2 aircraft have been bought by a civilian operator. The Falcon 900LX is backed by an award-winning, worldwide support network. Comprehensive services include Falcon Response, Dassault's suite of AOG support services committed to doing whatever it takes to get a grounded Falcon back into operation quickly. And when necessary, 2 Falcon Response aircraft can provide alternative passenger lift, an industry first. Another exclusive Falcon service, Falcon Care, is the most complete OEM maintenance program in the industry, enabling customers to better manage their operating budget through stable, predictable costs. The Falcon 900LX SEZ-2 flight deck dramatically assures optimum crew coordination and situational awareness, presenting pilots with everything from flight planning and automated checklists to the aircraft's precise position, situation, and environment through an innovative graphical interface that allows pilots to work together heads up. The 900LX has a maximum range of 4,750 nm, 8,800 km, and a maximum speed of Mach 0.84. It can take you from Geneva to Chicago, Mumbai to London City or Hong Kong to Sydney, non-stop, while consuming far less fuel than its competitors. In addition to airfield agility, the hallmark of tri-jet design, the 900LX allows more direct, over-water routing, an advantage that saves both time and fuel, while also enhancing safety.